Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have 10 selections, 130 plus odds. So let's get started. The first game we have here is a game in the Belgium Division 1 where Royal Chariot is taking on KV Kortrijk, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in England Amateur League where Gensed is taking on Salihu Moos. My prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have here is a game in Israel Premier League where Upper Tel Aviv is taking on FC Ashut over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is in Qatar where Al Arid is taking on Altai, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. We move on to Norway where Ran Han is taking on Egusound, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. If you have not liked this video by this time, please kindly hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Do not forget to share with us where you are watching us from in the comment section. The next one we have is a game in the Bulgaria where FC Ada is taking on Bote Prodiv, and my prediction is over 2 goals. And then the next one we have is in England Amateur where Scotland League One where Peterhead is taking on Spartan FC, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. We move on to Turkey where Göztepe Ismail is taking on BB but Romspor, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. We move on to Denmark where Istosh Ayev is taking on VSK Aarhus, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The last game we have here is a game in the Australia division where White City FC is taking on Adelaide United, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. That gives us a total of 138 odds. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. I wish you guys good luck and bet responsibly.